of value to you?
I've been to a lot of sessions at multiple WECs over the years, and this is probably one of the first sessions I've walked away with a list of things that I need to do in my own business to move forward.
Fabulous. Thank you for that.
Hello, Aileen and Neil, sending you a quick video of some of my interactive sessions. You'll see the flip chart paper up on the walls there, which changes as the day goes on, and outcomes, discussion items are placed on the post-its and popped up on the walls. People take photos generally and then have that to walk away with. This is a company I worked with, and we created a work of art and a real visual to keep them on track for the year.
Thanks for listening.